Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily set custom RGB effects to your own keyboard. So let me change my camera to some other view, which will be better for our video. And now we have to enter our device in our RAZER Synapse application, and here we have to enter Lightning. Now, here we have quick effects. Here we have some quick effects to change, and here we have the advanced effects, and here we have to tap Launch Chroma Studio. Here we have our keyboard, let's click on that, and Launch Chroma Studio. Here, as you can see, we can just, by using this pen icon, mark the device keys to change the color. As you can see, it works. Let me, for example, set it to blue. Blue. Here we can paint, as you can see, some sections of the keys for that color. Here we can move our keyboard to some other section on the minimap, and here we can select the keys on our map. As you can see, now our keyboard is half that and half that. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.